Faith means just believing in higher power, I think, and that they just do what's right for you. I come from a family of people that have been in textiles since the last 40 years now. I've always kind of grown up seeing textiles around the house, and that is really what I've grown up touching, feeling, seeing color. So it was a very natural route for me to take. I was 24 when I came in, and the store was an export showroom at that point. I had great staff beside me and saw what we're doing really well. We started building on that, and I think then it was quite easy there. Instagram was a really big game changer for me. Suddenly the store gave me a voice, and it was not just me behind the scenes. I was now on the forefront, becoming the face of my brand. My parents and my husband, I think they were always really supportive, and they always knew that I would end up doing what I was destined to do.